We've heard a lot about how robotics is going to disrupt manufacturing going forward, and one Indian company is already investing heavily in industrial robots. We are talking about Tata Motors, which is leading this push under its subsidiary TAL. My colleague Utkarsh Chaturvedi caught up with TAL's RS Thakur to really find out the roadmaps forward and the investments in industrial robots. Let's listen into what he had to say.
We have got 55 robos installed with industry, 25 were sold and 30 were given on a 6-month extended credit for trial. I have personally met most of the customers after they had used the robos for a couple of months, and the feedback has been uniformly good, that they have got 25% productivity increase, the quality has improved, the predictability of delivery has improved because these robos don't take leave of any kind. So basically, it's a very encouraging feedback that we have got from all the customers.
What's your expectations with this, sir? Where do you think, how bigger is the market for this can be going ahead?
You see, if we were just to take a small benchmark, that China has got 49 robos per 10,000 workers. Let's assume we don't go there. Even if we go to half of that, that is 5, from 2 to 5, that's 2.5 times. So today Indian industry imports 2,500 robos. It will go to 6,500. So even on that very modest increase, we're looking at 4,000 robos market, which once people get used to it and awareness increases, I'm sure it will grow exponentially.
So how much of that 4,000 robo market do you think Bravo will be there?
I think we will, the incremental 4,000 that will come, my take is that the existing robo growth has been about 20% a year. So 2,500 will go to 3,000. So rest of it will be for this class of robo. Now, whether we get all of that in our kitty will depend on how fast we deliver solutions to the customers. And that's why we are continuously increasing our engineer strength. Our training program is being made effective so that the engineers that we recruit are trained very fast. And we are signing in more and more system integrators who basically manufacture the grippers and other things which work with the robo. So the idea is that let's create resources, satisfy customer need very fast, orders will flow.
How much of an investment has gone in the development of this robot?
It's about 10 crores.
And going ahead, sir, what can we see from TAL going ahead in the robotics arm? This is there. Are we looking to increase our portfolio, more products, more robotics, higher payload?
Right now, what we have line of sight is that we're going to have a longer arm, 1200 mm and maybe even 1400 mm. Right now it's 5 axis. We are coming out in a few months with the 6 axis. We are looking for tying up with a global welding technology person so that we can mate it with the welding power pack, and because that's a large demand. So all these, I suppose, will happen in the course of next 12 months. Beyond that, yes, we are going to keep improving it and coming out with newer products so that we don't get left out with an old technology. We would like to be contemporary because Indian customers would not like to be treated shabbily.
Also want to know, sir, how much of an investment does TAL is going to do in developments of the whole robotics arm?
All this development that I talked about, for that we already have made provision. And if any major development comes in, I think we have the wherewithal to do that. Right now, since we don't have as to what we'll do beyond these, I can't really give you a number.